Oh, nice. Oh, nice. Chinook, boys. Blew right into inwood last night. Wasn't even paying attention. Next thing you know. Oh my god. No good. Heater on full blast. Well, looks like we're doing indoor activities for the next few months. But anyways, I did a thing. So I probably should have done it a long time ago. Wouldn't find myself in the predicament I'm in. It's kind of hard to friggin' just dump, you know, all the monies, you know what I mean? But it's done now. I spent the last couple days friggin' trying to set everything up and this and that. Still a long ways to go in accordance to my plans. It's just totally dackered, but got to take a bit of a package and go get the Felon. Anyways, check this out. Litme headphones. These are the ones Tiffany's been using. They're like soft ones for sleeping. You saw those? They're like soft for sleeping or something. Oh, now they're broken. Probably in trouble for that. Anyways, let's check out the Lair boys. Look at all the merch. Pumpagud.com, but look at this. Oh my god, there's the old one. No good, quit working, doesn't work anymore. There's the new one, whole pewter, that little box. Not even this one, just that one right there. It's got a parsnip onto it and stuff, but yeah. Litme. I'll put a link in the description for those guys. But check this out. Okay, fingerprint modulation, but yeah, I mean, it's about time. She really chooches the footage, so I should be able to. And look at this. We successfully shared a video. You couldn't do that on the other guy there, so yeah, we did her, boys. And we got a new this one and a new that one. And then the new camera, the friggin' Ace Pro 360 Pro Insta 360 or something like that. And the new microphones, holy shit. But yeah, hopefully that fixes my friggin' uploading issue. I mean, it's just such a drag. You know, I mean, it's not even that I'm editing. I'm just like cutting clips and making sure there's not too many swears in it. But yeah, I mean, just you click on it, it takes forever. So you know, trying to make a video, it's like freaking, you know, hours of unnecessary waiting and dicking around when bling bling bling, this new one's just super fast. Oh my god. But anyways, yeah, outside's not my thing in the winter time, boys, and I'm well over that. I don't even want to even go outside anymore. But yeah, this too, we got to do some work on this. I was trying to bash, like, see right here how it's all bashed in and stuff. I was trying because I got to make room for the friggin' portal for the Marmaduke. But yeah, it's just not going to work. So I'm going to have to snozz all that out and stuff and different things. So plenty to do, but oh, see how much weeds Buddy did? He did so many weeds.
I know, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what he said when I walked out there.
What did he say? So many.
So I picked a bunch of weeds and I looked over. I'm like, oh shit, you can see through the fence.
Yeah. Nice. Good work.
Yeah, I was just gonna head to the bank and then I can't remember actually.
It's even loaded, eh? Even had the son of a bitch already loaded, like we knew what we were doing.
Well, you were doing a gas tank last time. Just jacking.
Ouch! Oh my god! Well, it turns out it doesn't matter. Still can't do nothing right. Freaking battery died on the camera, missed a shot. That's good. We just popped that guy off, no big deal. Exposed the friggin' underbelly, sound terrible. But fucking sucks, eh? This truck wasn't even rusty at all. A little bit, like a couple little spots, you know, a little how you doing there, but whole inner rocker. Original, 1988. Original poop, 1988. My God. 52 spot welds. We counted them. And that's not even including the whole row along the bottom. So, I mean, there's 175 spot welds holding each rocker section on. So that's good. Yeah, if we just like kind of undo the bottom of the freaking B pillar, and then we can use the other cab and we can measure, you know, across the chooch, and then we know, because that one's not all smidged in, and we know how much we got to bring that out. Once we release that off there, maybe we can hammer and dolly that crease out, bring this over, we can do a little more how you doing over here. But when it's all stuck there like that and then bent, you can't, you got to take it apart, bend each piece back one at a time. And then we got new rockers here, so they're for a single cab, front and left, you know, front and left. We got the front and left friggin' rockers here for a single cab, so we should be able to make that work on the back and right. You know what I mean? So that'll be good. But oh, we got some crazy news. Oh, I can't even look right at it.
Nah, look. I can't even like rip it off.
Oh, look at this. Look at the. Just look onto that.
This is the crusty
festering puce. Oh, that's nasty.
Man.
Oh my God, that's a good one.
It doesn't hurt. That's
No.
the weirdest part about it. It doesn't hurt.
It's terrible icky. It's just really icky.
Yeah, it just all of a sudden today it just decided it wanted to pop out.
It just released the jankum. Check this out. I quit making a movie because I ran out of battery and a bunch of different stuff, but we got the outer rocker. 270 spot welds on there, so I got to get a better drill bit. Got to find a better drill bit. But I shouldn't have. I mean, we had to get the door open anyway, but I shouldn't have welded so much stuff onto the inner rocker because it's still totally good. I just got to straighten it out a little bit. Son of a dick.
What did I do to myself?
Oh, just wrecked.
Wrecked it with a goddamn. Well, actually, it was like a tire iron.
Oh, you pinched it.
Oh, I pinched it real good. That's like 2 months ago.
Were you carefuling?
Oh God, no. Not even close to being like careful. I was just giving her.
Yeah.
It's just like I was pissed off because it just wouldn't. It just wouldn't.
Frig sakes.
Bam, right into it.
That's how you know it's a good one.
Apparently December means 10th month.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, deck or whatever. Deck.
January and February we just like fucking add it.
Oh, that works really good. That is good. That. Wow! Holy shit! Did you see the smoke coming off my finger?
No.
That was so hot, I didn't even know my finger was burning.
What?
Yeah, it's got a bit of a sting under it now. Holy shit. Yeah, like normally you feel it, eh?
Normally, yeah. When you get up to high enough degrees, though,
Yeah, it's starting to sting now. Wow.
it doesn't matter.
Oh. That kind of... Like I seen the smoke, eh?
And it wasn't coming from the weld.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Or your joint.
Grabbing the earlobe didn't do anything either.
Not when it's that hot.
Oh, that's too hot. Fuck, that's my good picker too. Me and Jamie Pants same, you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
I think I should get a pair of pliers for holding on to this thing, because the metal's warm there.
It probably is.
Where I start to like touch on it and stuff. Seems to be a little in the upward temperature. How many bets do you want to make with me that that's not even going to work in the realm of anything that might even be considered working? Yeah. I just immediately fly right off and literally do nothing. And it's on full blast, and I gave it like at least 3 blasts on each one. So like this is just a make-believe thing that doesn't even, it's not even a real thing. This is made up. Like maybe if you had like a tiny little deviation in the surface, and then you could possibly, you know, get it to stick enough to barely even slightly cock or something, but this is way too smidged in for any sort of type of thing like this. Oh no. Boys, I thought my friggin' my thing, I thought that was shit in a man's hair. It's been over 24 hours, no dart yet. So I think we're good. It still sucks a little bit. Sometimes I just want to suck on stuff, but got the felon here, so. You happy? Oh my god! Oh my god!
Yeah, come closer.
Yeah, come over there and give it some smells.
Yeah. Too bad. Walking smooth this operation. Yeah, looks like you gotta bang that part up a bit,
Yeah, big time.
You want that light moved?
Oh, that's actually better. Hey. I should use the air chancellor. Yeah. Get the air chancellor going, see what happens. Just a look. We'll just have a look, you know what I mean? Don't need to fucking... Just experimenting. It's hard to get a swing in there, but if you can get this in there...